Hey guys, it's me. So have you guys known that I was interested in HVAC since 2011? Well, in this video, I, I just found this video from Stamped Octagon Productions, and his video was from 2011. So look, you see, January 5th, 2011. And this is the same year I was interested of HVAC since I was 3 years old. Yeah, it's been since 15 years. And yeah, I'm not trying to steal his video, I'm just showing you guys the same year I was interested of HVAC since 2011. So yeah.
Trane just started defrosting. It shut off and made that hissing noise for a little while, and then it came back on in defrost mode. So it was actually off for a short period of time. Let me get the SLR off of there. See if it starts steaming like it did last time. Got the SLR right there. Yep, it's defrosting. I think I can actually hear the ice melting. Brief defrost cycle. Very brief defrost cycle. And now it's going to reverse. Get the SLR out of the way so I don't step on it. That was weird. Yeah, it was running in heating mode, and then it shut off and it made that hissing noise. Then, like less than a minute later, it went into defrost. It was definitely defrosting. It was definitely defrosting. It's gonna come on while I put it down in there and scare the shit out of me. It'll be the first time that's happened. But yeah, all the lines, the reversing valve and all that shit is behind this panel. And I can see a little bit of frost in there, but the lines that run the compressor were not frozen over. But yeah, that was defrost cycle. Very defrost cycle. It's going to be below freezing tonight. I'm probably going to stay up until midnight, so I will definitely come out here again and see if it does that again. Out. And as, I don't know if you saw it, but the minute it shut off, all of the frost just came off of the lines. Just missed it. Alright. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. It's defrosting. Here it goes again. I was about to call it quits for tonight, but here it goes. See if it does anything interesting. Feel you can feel warmth coming out of it, but it steams. 2 defrost cycles in one night. That's not bad. I can feel the warm air coming out of it, but I can't see it. And there it goes. Right now, I think it is back in cooling mode. And just shut off again. Alright. That's it for tonight. Come out here tomorrow morning, about 7 or 8 o'clock, and see if I can get a video of the defrosting out.
So yeah, this is the same year of 2011 that I was interested of HVAC. Yeah, it's been since 15 years. Yeah, but it's pretty cool for me. So yeah, when on 2011, my auntie and I were outside, and I actually saw a central air conditioner. Well, I would call it a heat pump. Yeah. It's been 15 years that I saw a central heat. A heat pump. Sorry about that. Yeah. Yeah. And I see he got 2.64K subscribers. Yeah. Yeah. I'm really happy for him. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. This is the video of Trane 11. Thank you for watching, and over and out. Peace.